Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will do an example of calculation of angles from bearings. So we have an example. So side AB having 4 bearing of 107 degree 15 minutes and the back bearing is 287 degree 15 minutes. Okay, so the 4 bearing of BC is 22 degree 0 minutes and its back bearing will be 202 degree 0 minutes. Likewise, the 4 bearing of CD is 231 degree 30 minutes and its back bearing is 51 degree 30 minutes. The 4 bearing of DE is 189 degree at 15 minutes. Its back bearing is 9 degree and 15 minutes. The 4 bearing of EA is 124 degree 45 minutes and its back bearing is 304 degree 45 minutes. So we are going to calculate the internal angle A, which is this one, angle B, which is this one, internal angle C, which is this one, internal angle D, and internal angle E. We are going to find these internal angles. So let's start with, first we are going to calculate this internal angle A. So from the given 4 bearing and back bearings of angles, so we will calculate this internal angle. So if we subtract 107 degree 15 minutes from this value 304 degree 45 minutes, which is actually the back bearing of EA, and this is the 4 bearing of AB. If we subtract 107 degree 15 minutes from 304 degree 45 minutes, we will get this external angle. Okay, but we are going to find this internal angle. So when we subtract these two values, we will get this external angle A. But we need internal angle A, so we will subtract the value of external angle A from 360 and we will get this internal angle A. So substitute the values in this equation and you will get external angle A, which is 197 degree 30 minutes. But we are interested in finding the internal angle A. So we subtract this external angle from 360. So this is the internal angle A, 162 degree 30 minutes, which is shown in this color, red color. Now proceeding to our angle B, this is angle B, internal angle B. We are going to find this internal angle B. So how to find this? If we subtract 22 degree 0 minutes from 287 degree 15 minutes, we will get this external angle B. But we are interested in internal angle B. So what we will do, if we get external angle B, we will subtract that value from 360 and we will get internal angle B, which is the required internal angle. Okay, so substituting the value in this equation, first let me remove all the color, all the ink on the slide. Exterior angle at B is equal to back bearing of AB, which is 287 degree in 15 minutes, minus 4 bearing of BC, which is 22 degree 0 minutes. So this will give, by substituting the values, this will give us the external angle 265 degree 15 minutes, which is actually this angle. But we are interested in internal angle, so we will subtract the value for 265 degree 15 minutes from 360 degree and we will get the internal angle B, 94 degree 45 minutes, which is actually this angle, the required angle. Now proceeding toward angle C. This is angle C, internal angle C. So if we look at the picture, the figure, if we subtract 202 degree 0 minutes from 231 degree 30 minutes, we will get directly the value of angle C, which is angle C, internal angle C. Okay, so internal angle C, 4 bearing of CD minus back bearing BC is giving you internal angle at C. So substituting the values and you will get the internal angle C, 29 degree and 30 minutes. So this is 29 degree 30 minutes. Okay. Now finding internal angle D, which is this one. So how to find this internal angle D? If we subtract 51 degree 30 minutes, this yellow angle, from this blue angle 189 degree 15 minutes, this will give you internal angle D. So interior angle D is equal to forward bearing of DE minus back bearing of CD. Substituting the values and you will get the value of angle D, 137 degree 45 minutes. Similarly, internal angle E, which is this one, how can we find this value? If we subtract 9 degree 15 minutes, this red angle, from this black angle 124 degree 45 minutes, this will directly give you the internal angle E. Substituting the values and you will get the value of angle E, 115 degree 15 minutes. So this is how we find the internal angles from the given bearings. Okay, so these are the interior angles which we found in the previous slide. This is how we find the interior angles, okay, from the given bearings. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel also.